What's up, guys? Welcome to Nathan TWG. Password, hang on. And it happens every time. Where's the Wi-Fi box? Ginger. Excuse the mess. We have retrieved it. Look at it. The Wi-Fi. Turn it on. Turn it on. Now just wait. Now wait. Time is 11 o'clock while I'm recording this. It's probably gonna come out like, I don't know, 12 today. It's Ginger. You gonna leave me? You gonna leave me? No! Okay. Still nothing? Oh god, my camera. Alright. Yes, here we go. Here we go. Almost there. It's not in here. Okay. Just hang on. %. Right up here. Let's see the normal here. Look at that. Not saying that's good. Colors. The wind. 5%. Hail. We have a severe weather thing today, but not for here. I don't know. Didn't know that was going to be coming. Hang on. Severe weather, Louisiana today. This. Ooh. I don't want this. Holy crap. Severe weather is possible. Oh my goodness. My computer's first. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, hold on. A slight. We're in a slight from this weather service. This is from that website right there. Ooh. Okay, this is good. But it's only a slight risk. The tornado. It's more in Alexandria than here. We're living right there. That's Walthall County. We live somewhere in there. Walthall County is right about there where I'm zooming in. Right there. That's my county. Oh. Okay. 2 rounds of warm front. Wednesday and Wednesday night. Isn't today Wednesday? No. Yeah. Wednesday night. Here. Slight risk. Alright, well, give that a little update there. Flood watch, look at that. It's kind of like here. So it's going to rain today. Tornado watch. The flood watch is all here. Severe thunderstorm warning already? It must not be right now. That must not be right now. I'm gonna go check. Hold on. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way we already have a risk. There's no way. No way. No possible physical way. Check in on this one. Holy crap. Okay, let's see. Hang on. Hold on. 3. Special Marine. See? Hold on here. So there's nothing. I don't know what this is saying here. It's saying it's right here. Huh. I bet you I'm just like, not today. This probably is not going to be today. From 7 a.m. Wednesday. I don't know. Confusing. Oh, squeeze. Let me see. Nuh-uh. It ain't mine. Alright, well, I'll update a little bit of a video if we do get a severe thunderstorm. So, peace out.